Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this animation of me taking a bite out of a virtual donut. To make this 5-second clip, I spent 5 days learning how to use Blender to color objects, animate models, and make this bite look realistic. I started by importing the donut and teeth into Blender. The donut was from the first Blender tutorial I followed a few months ago. As for the teeth, I got a scan of my mouth after I got my braces off. From work, I downloaded the files and cleaned them up to match the style of the donut. Once everything was imported, it was time to make them look nice. The donut was fairly easy. I could just select all and apply because the icing and the donut were separate meshes. As for the teeth, however, I had to manually color in the teeth and the gums. Next, I animated the motion of the donut and teeth with keyframes. I then added some camera shake to emphasize when the teeth closed. Now for the tricky part, animating the teeth, taking a bite out of the donut. I had to keyframe a Boolean modifier with an invisible model of the teeth that cut into the donut. At first, the models followed the same path as the teeth, but once they closed on the donut, the bite stayed with the donut to finish the animation. Finally, the animation was complete in Blender and it was time to render. Rendering is the process of calculating how each frame will look with reflections, shadows, and everything else light does. This takes the computer a lot of time, and for me, it took about 10 hours total for the render to finish. Now, here is 5 days worth of work in 5 seconds with sound and an accurate representation of my bite. I also posted a separate video of just this animation at this link up here, as well as my very first YouTube short. And I just think it's so satisfying to watch this animation on a loop, so definitely check out one of those links. And that's how I made a realistic version of virtual teeth eating a donut. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, and I will see you next time.